The Wolf and the Child's Mother. A hungry wolf was searching for food. Then suddenly he heard the cries of a child and came to a cottage. As he went near the window, a, a mother said to the child, "Stop crying, or I will give you to the wolf." Thinking she really meant what she said, the hungry wolf waited there for a long time. In the evening, he heard the mother consoling her child. "If the naughty wolf comes, Daddy will kill him." The disappointed wolf walked away, saying, "You can't believe a word they say." Moral: enemies' promises are meant to be broken.